This hasn't been the toughest hiking trip I've had, but it's up there on my top 5. Good morning. So it is officially 7:15 in the morning, and I can honestly say I did not get enough sleep because I ended up going to bed at 3 and I got up around 6:30. So right now we're focusing on making breakfast, and after we eat breakfast we're gonna just pack up all our shit because we did not pack last night, and we're gonna get going to the combis that's in the centro. Buen provecho. Alright, so today we are going to the tallest waterfall in all of Chiapas, and that is called El Chiflon. And I have my 2 friends with me. Say hi. Hi. So right now we are walking to the combi station, and we're going to get a ride to Comiton, which is a small pueblo about 2 hours from here. And from there we're going to hop on another combi, and that will take us directly there. So in total we'll be spending about $5 US on transportation, since it's like $2 for a ride on each combi. So yeah, so right now we're about halfway there. Excuse the noise. Chicas, acá están los tacos de canasta para que los prueben. How is it?
Pásenle.
So it's 60 pesos to get to Comitan, and from there we're gonna take another colectivo that will take us straight to the Chiflon. And this is about maybe a 2-hour ride, or maybe an hour and a half, I'm not sure. It's a lot cheaper to do it this way than booking a tour, because you just save so much money just on transportation, and you have more time to spend at the waterfall. Alright, so it's 11:45 and we spent 2 hours in that combi, and now we're about to hop on another one, and that's gonna take us straight to El Chiflon. And so we're waiting on our friend because she's miona as fuck. She has the bladder of a squirrel. So we're waiting on her, and then we're gonna hop on.
Fruta, sandía, mango, coco, surtido, fruta.
So if y'all want to get on the tirolesas here, then here are the prices. The cheapest one here is 150 pesos, which is about $12 to get on, which isn't like a really bad price compared to other places. Find out it is rainy season here in Chiapas, which I already knew, but the other waterfalls permitted people to go in and swim. Now when we got here we saw that nobody was like wet or in a bikini, so it turns out we can't get in the water, and I'm sweating my ass off, and my friends are very disappointed. And it's beautiful, but I wanted to swim, and so we're carrying all of our stuff, our bathing suits and food, and we can't swim. Guys, it is absolutely beautiful. Right here we're at Cascada Velo de Novia, and it is fucking beautiful. Oh my god, I have to show you guys this shit. Look at how humongous that is compared to my friends. Waterfall, friends. Waterfall, friends. So we just got fucking soaked at the Vela de Novia waterfall. As you could tell, we're literally just undressing here because we are soaking wet, and thankfully we bought like a bikini. Alright, so we're already at our fourth freaking waterfall, and it is just as gorgeous as the one that we came from. We have 470 meters to walk. It's hot. All right, we're almost to our fourth waterfall, Cascada Arcoiris Rainbow Waterfall. So, just a quick warning, it's very steep here, so I recommend bringing 3 bottles of water. I'm exaggerating, but please bring water and please take breaks. It's okay if you can't go all the way up in one trip. We're almost to the top, chicas. 4th waterfall. Hasn't been the toughest hiking trip I've had, but it's up there on my top 5. But it's so worth it. It seems like we've made it. My friend is brushing her teeth in the background. We are about to head down to the very bottom. It's gonna take us about 30 minutes to an hour to get all the way down and back on the road, so we can get a ride back to San Cristobal. This marks the end of our Chiflon adventure. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and let me know if y'all would actually come here. And I will say, do not come here during the raining season. The rainy season here ends in December, so if you actually want to get in the water and you want to experience the crystal blue water, I recommend that you come after December if you want to get in the water. So yeah, other than that, thank you so much for watching. Lasso Tomati.